All right. So for you people that like fog lights and off-roading and all this crap, look what we got here. 9-foot wiring harness with this puppy on there. Yeah, you know what that is if you like doing this stuff. This is coming with your relay, a lighted switch, sealed wiring. Well, sealed as best as you can. Your wrap wiring, whatever. 40 amp relay. I guess it's called the DT plug, that plug. These are Walmart clearance. $5. $5. Can you imagine that? $5 for this? This relay's at least maybe $2. Switch $2. $2. Cable $2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, all right. Well, maybe these things are a little more expensive. Well, generally you can't buy them in Signals or whatever. But it's completely made for you. $5, and it is 9 feet. 9 feet. Walmart. What a brick seeker. Look up the UPC. There it is. It's crazy that they're clearancing these out. They're clearancing them out because they're dropping this brand and they're going to a different one. I don't know what the normal price is. So anyway, here is your plug, with your seal, your rubber seal, your plug, detacher, and you're getting your lighted switch. Sealed lighted switch. You see that? It's got a little rubber thing on there. I mean, it's inside the car, but you put this on the outside and you don't need to get a perfect hole or whatever because you got this rubber around there. You got a fuse. I assume there's a fuse in there. Do I need to squeeze this somehow? Man, he looks stupid now, bro. Oh, there we go. It's a snapper. Yeah. All right, they got a 30 amp in there. I mean, you're not going to be doing 40 amps. Sealed. Here's your relay. I don't really want to take this completely apart. Come on, relay. Can you come out? Come out and talk to us. Here's the relay. You don't need to see the numbers on it. We already know it's a 40 amp. Right there. GD 1912 Ray Fire. I think it matters. So, where's the negative side? Where is the negative terminal? Oh, there we go. There's the relay. It's your typical relay. 85, 86 is the coil side, and your power is your 830, 87. Doesn't matter anyway because it's all wired up for you, so it doesn't even matter. And let's see, what is this part? I don't know what that's going to. Where's the negative side, man? You got your positive side. Where's the negative? Negative's going up and through here. Where you at? Where you at, bro? Where you is? Where you hiding at? Oh, there you is. All right. I'm looking for it for a reason because I'm going to be attaching it later on in another video. Know what I mean? No, you don't know what I mean because I haven't done the other video yet. All right. So there it is. This is a 9-foot already sealed harness. You know, this is your sealed. Why not? $5 already made for you. This is perfect. Perfect. This is the standard connector they use today on connecting everything. You know, when I say sealed, you can all like rant and cry baby and say that it's not really sealed. And you see right there, it's not sealed because you can get water into there. So if you truly want it totally sealed, you're going to have to do that. You know, your little crybaby stuff. Same thing over here. Whatever. Don't nitpick shit. Know what I'm saying? This is sealed. That is definitely sealed. Where's the coil? Let's see if the coil is sealed to the top. Yeah, they did a good enough job, but you could still see into the crack. So whatever. Moisture still gets into relays. It gets in due to. It doesn't come in through anything. The inside of the relay gets hot, cold, and causes moisture inside the relay. It's got nothing to do with how much sealing you do. Oh, the other crap. So anyway, $5 for this is a friggin' steal. That is a steal. Get down to Walmart, buy them all. Brick Seeker, find out which ones you got. Go grab them all. Even if Brick Seeker says they don't have them, just go down there. The little trick with Walmart is where these are sitting, there's going to be light bars. These are all sitting low. Do this thing called, don't be a lazy fuck. Get down on your knees, bend over, and look under, into the, and behind all the light bars that are there. Move everything out of the way and look into the back of the shelf. And then the other trick is to look under the shelf, on the floor, between the floor and the shelf. Because the employees don't clean under there. None of the employees get down on their knees and look into the shelves. So you'll find these things way in the back like that. Way in the back. They're off inventory. Nobody knows where they are. So if you really want one of these, that's what you do. You don't walk by down the aisle and say, oh, there's nothing there, and then walk out. Don't even go to the store if that's how you look for shit. Don't even go. You need to make an effort because the Walmart employees don't give a shit. Oh, let me put it this way. They don't give a shit. Things aren't going to be out there like your mother cleaned it for you. They're going to be willy-nilly crazy all over the fucking place. And you got to think about that. You got to think, I'm a fucking slob. Where would I put it on the shelf? Where would I lose it on the shelf? And that's how you'll find this stuff, by realizing that the people are as a slob like you. So anyway, these got the DT connector. It's very lovely that these are all there. And these are awesome for $5. $5. That's crazy, mama. That's crazy. Pre-made, everything. You don't even need to understand how a relay works. You don't need to understand how a light works. You don't need to understand anything. It's all made for you. $5. It's like your mother did it for you. Oh my God, this is not sealed. This one is not sealed. These are not sealed. He said these are sealed. This is not sealed. Look at that. That's not sealed. That's not sealed. Look at that. I could see down into the connector. That's sealed. Anyway, $5. Go get you some. Buy them all. Just buy them all. And then every time a friend of yours wants to put like fog lights in or a light bar, tell them, yo, I got a wiring connector. I'll sell it to you for $10. That's how you make your money off your friends. You mad, bro? Take the kitties off? No, on. Oh, on, off. Make up your mind, friend. Hey, you mad, bro? On. You mad, bro? No, on. You want them back on? No, I don't want to be on your stinky foot. Your stinky foot. Woo! 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 You mad, bro? You mad, bro? You want them back on?